It's time for that good old word. Come on, somebody. Happy are people who show mercy, because they will receive mercy. Matthew 5:7. Be blessed.
Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afi Elizabeth. If this is your first time on my channel, hey, you are most definitely welcome. If you just randomly discovered my channel, this channel is all about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If those are the type of content you like to watch, sis, you are at the right place. What it do, baby? You feel me? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that notification bell button to be notified every time I post a video. What that bell button does, it a ding, bzz. Afi uploaded a video. Go watch. That's what it tells you. It notifies you every time I post a new video. And with that being said, let's just get into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to discover your personal style. I get these questions a lot on how to dress. For me, it's one of those things that I had to discover for myself. So I'm just going to give you guys 3 tips that helped me discover my personal style. So hopefully it helps whoever is trying to learn how to dress, or you're there but you feel like you're not there and you feel like something is missing. Hopefully these 3 tips is helpful and helps you get to where you need to be when it comes to looking good. So number 1 thing I like to talk about when it comes to how to discover your personal style is your personality. I find fashion being something that, you know, people express themselves through. You know the saying when people say you are what you eat. Your personality is basically like that when it comes to fashion. A lot of people don't think fashion is art. Fashion is character. Fashion is you. So that's what your personality is, you. And when it comes to my personality, I think I'm more like athletic. I mean, I don't look like it anymore, but I was an athlete back in high school. So when I discovered my personal style, it was more like through my personality. Growing up for me, story time. Growing up for me, my mom, you know, she dressed me in different category when it comes to outfits. Like I will wear tomboy clothes, and then like I will wear a dress, and I'll wear heels. So I discovered my personal style really early. Fashion has always been something that I, you know, loved and I expressed myself through. So for me, it was more towards personality and how I am as a person. Half of my closet is sporty, so I have like sweatpants, I have hoodies, I have tomboy looks. So it's like everything about me when it comes to my personality wise screams bubbly, sporty, and also chic, unique. And another part about me is I'm very curious. My curiosity is how I discovered my looks. Now some people might say your personality doesn't truly, what are you talking about? Like you can wear what you want to wear and your personality is different. For me, in my opinion, I think your personality should be number 1 thing on the list when it comes to discovering how to dress and discovering your personal style. So for me, it's really important to sit down and discover who you are as a person first. You want to wear something that describes you. I mean, people say you are what you eat. So it's just, I feel like fashion is the same way. You are how you present yourself, or you are what you wear. So basically, if that makes sense, hopefully that makes sense. But your personality is number 1. So yeah, if that made sense, if that last part made sense. Number 2 is inspiration, your influencers. Hopefully I'm one. But your influencers and who you follow, who you get inspired by is very, very important. If I could compare my 16 years old Afi and 26-year-old Afi, I say there's a huge difference. There's a huge change when it comes to who I follow now on Instagram and who inspires me on Instagram. So if you know me, you know, well, if you follow me, you know that I'm a Christian. So what I wear is very important to me. How I represent myself is very important to me. I look at Christianity as a lifestyle. I like to follow people that also matches what I like. I'm a sporty chick, so I follow influencers that also like to wear sneakers. Influencers that are very unique when it comes to different ways of wearing sneakers. So for me, when it comes to influencer, I love following people that are in that bubble with me. So my top influencer for when it comes to my sporty side, my unique side, is Notorious KIA. I will leave her link down below. She is one interesting, very interesting influencer when it comes to discovering your style, on how to put certain clothes together, especially on the edginess side of your closet. I also follow men influencers. So as far as like my men wear side of the closet, as far as like my tomboy side, I also have men lookbooks men influencers, men YouTubers that I follow, and I watch lookbooks just to help me to figure out what's hot on the men's side of the fashion. So when it comes to the men's side of my closet, I love following Jose Zanga. I think that's his last name. His page on YouTube is Teaching Men's Fashion. He talks about how to put clothes together when it comes to, you know, how to wear jeans, what's hot, how to wear hoodies. So I apply all those influencers together and try to build my wardrobe. Pinterest is another place where I like to lean on. I'm like obsessed with Pinterest. I also put my stuff on Pinterest now. Wow, I'm becoming Pinterest-like. I now post my outfits on Pinterest too, if you are interested to, you know, figure out, you know, if you're just interested and you want to know what I post on Pinterest, I'm on Pinterest as well, Afi Elizabeth. I also have like different apps such as Vogue magazine, Vogue runway, different type of fashion apps that also helps me be alert when it comes to new trends and what's hot on the runway. So I get inspired by that too. So now that we talked about your inspiration, who you follow, where to get your inspiration from, well, let's talk about trying new things, okay? Next on the list is trying new things. I think this part of the how to discover your style, your personal style, is really important because I find it very hard for people to discover their personal style if you're so comfortable in your comfort zone. You want to get out of your comfort zone. Trying new things for me has helped me discover the colors that fits my skin tone. It has helped me discover the type of jeans to buy. It helped me discover what fits for my body shape, as far as like, you know, what will make me look good. I love walking into stores open-minded, unless when I walk into the store I feel as if, you know, that vibe is not there. That's when I walk out. So when you try new things, it helps you discover not only what to wear, what color fits well for your skin tone. It also helps you discover stores on where to buy certain things. You'll be amazed on the type of stores people tend to miss out on because they're not open-minded to try new things. Trying new things comes with finding out colors that fits for your skin tone. Trying new things comes with figuring out stores that people overlooked at some point. Trying new things really helps you when it comes to discovering your style. I was one of those people that used to hate thrifting. I hated thrift stores. Thrift stores were not me. Like when I would hear somebody went to a thrift store, I used to question, why would you want to wear something that somebody else donated? Like, it makes no sense. Why would you want to wear somebody's leftover? I was so close-minded that I didn't know that different thrift stores actually sell some pretty good things, and you will find new things at the thrift store. Trying new things has helped me discover colors that fits my skin tone, and it helps me discover shoes that will fit with certain looks. It helps me discover stores that people tend to overlook. Now, there are certain stores that people like to go into, and then as soon as they walk in, they're like, yo, this is not me. I like to go to stores that, you know, gets you questioning. But the good thing about those stores is once you actually give yourself that, let me go and look, let me go and discover, you will find things that a lot of people overlook. So I highly recommend you guys to try new things, because new things will help you figure out what you like and what you don't like. So hopefully this was helpful for those of you who question, how can I discover my style? How can I dress well? What can I do to look bomb? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We talked about your personality and how your personality is really important, and that's how you figure out what you like and what you don't like. And then we talked about your inspirations, your Instagrammers, your influencers. Hopefully I become one of them. Who you follow is really important. Talk about how Pinterest should be your best friend. And then last but not least, we talked about trying new things. Please be open-minded and like that idea of discovering and being adventurous. Being adventurous will help you figure out things that you never thought was on this earth. Okay? Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. With that being said, thank you guys so much. Hopefully you discover your style, and hopefully you become a fashionista, and hopefully we can share each other's closet. Okay? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.